Modify facts present. World Bee Day is celebrated every May 20th. On this day, humans are reminded that instead of interfering with life, bees have many benefits. There are many unknowns about bees. They are essential for growing many of our favorite and healthiest foods while transferring pollen from plant to plant, pollinating more than 100 fruits and vegetables, including strawberries, potatoes, and apples. Unfortunately, many bee species are threatened by changes in land use, pesticides, intensive agriculture, and climate change, but there are steps you can take to help them thrive. Here are 6 surprising things you might not know about bees. 1. Bees like to sway. Bees can communicate by dancing. As the honeybee searches for and inspects a new hive, it uses the rocking dance to promote itself and its superiority. The better the sight, the longer and harder the bee dances. 2. Bees can use tools. Honeybees in Vietnam and other parts of Asia are threatened by a predatory species of giant bee that attacks bee colonies, killing adult bees that defend the hive and preying on young bees. In particular, the voracious wasp species Vespasaura is capable of destroying a nest in a few hours. Honeybees also signal an imminent attack by making a terrible warning sound. 3. Bee droppings almost led to Cold War confrontation. In the 1980s, the yellow rain, small patches of yellow found in the foliage of forests in Laos and Cambodia, was considered a remnant of chemical weapons. Refugees say that yellow rain causes disease and death. The accusations prompted the United States to accuse the Soviet Union and its allies of chemical warfare. Beekeepers later discovered that the yellow dots were the excretions of large swarms of wild honeybees. 4. Hungry bees. Plants produce dazzling flowers loaded with nectar to attract pollinators. But what should impatient and hungry bees do when they have not yet bloomed? When pollen is scarce, bees damage the leaves of tomato and mustard plants in a unique way that results in plants flowering up to 30 days earlier than non-bitten plants, scientists in Switzerland and France have found. For bees, pollen is a source of protein they need to raise their young. However, warmer temperatures as a result of the climate crisis are making bees wake up earlier after hibernating during the winter to find the flowers they need for food have not yet bloomed. 5. Humans exploited honeybees for thousands of years. Quoted from CNN, a cave painting in Spain that is estimated to be 8,000 years old depicts a man collecting honey from a ladder. Traces of beeswax on pottery also indicate that early farmers raised bees 9,000 years ago. Honey has also been found in ancient Egyptian tombs. Honey may have been a rare treat in prehistoric diets that had few sweets and could be used as medicine. Beeswax could have been used to make pots waterproof or as glue. Today, honey can provide new hope in the fight against antibiotic resistance. It contains natural antibiotics to help the body fight infection. 6. Some bees eat meat. Most bees feed on pollen and nectar, but some species have evolved to feast on meat, replacing the carcasses of dead animals with meadows of flowers. Vulture bees in Costa Rica have intestines rich in acid-loving bacteria similar to those found in hyenas and other animals that eat carrion. Scientists at the Universities of California, Riverside, Columbia University, and Cornell University found in 2021. Although vulture bees eat meat, their honey is still sweet and edible, the researchers said.